What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy TYB, aka Laneyy P. Welcome back to another video, another banger. And today's video is going to be a little bit different. Today we're going to be doing an install video. Disclaimer, before y'all watch the video, if y'all are here for a perfect step-by-step, everything you're doing right tutorial, you're watching the wrong video. I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing. If I do something stupid, roast me in the comments or not, I really don't care. I'm going into this only knowing righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. If you want to help me down in the comments below, feel free to do that. But if you're just going to be a crybaby and shit your pants in the comment section, nobody's going to give a fuck. But anyways, we have finally gotten a huge carbon fiber wing to install on Susie. She is right here. We ended up getting the APR wing, but this is actually taller than me. We have the pillars right here that look absolutely gorgeous. It is used and I did get it on discount. This also isn't what I had in mind for the 20K subscriber special. I did want this wing, but I didn't plan on buying it just yet. I had a bigger and more special surprise coming for y'all that was supposed to be coming this weekend in this video. It got canceled. The guy that I was purchasing this item from canceled on me on Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving to fucking me. I ended up purchasing another one, so that will be coming, the shipment will be coming Wednesday of this week. So it'll be the next video that you guys see. First, we have to go ahead and take off this. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start the process of taking the duck bill on, and Calentiaga should be joining us very shortly. All right, y'all, and just like that, we got the wing off. I think we got it off pretty successfully. The dental floss worked pretty well. Yeah, I think that's pretty solid. I don't think we lifted off any paint. Obviously, there's gonna be some glue, some adhesive residue. I don't think we took up any paint. All the paint is still there, so that's a success. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with some Goo Gone. Hopefully the Goo Gone doesn't lift up the paint, because I really didn't do no research on it. I just kind of assumed that was what I needed to do.
Can't consider myself basic.
Everything is off, and you know how I said we didn't bring up any paint? Well, I lied. And it's not noticeable, but you can kind of see like here and here little rock chip type of paint is coming up, and it did leave like a little dirt line right here that's not really coming up too easy. But I mean, nobody's really gonna be able to tell. You gotta really know what you're looking at to be able to tell. We got her booty looking all naked now. Now it's time we gotta mark up with the masking tape. I forgot to buy masking tape, so I'm just gonna figure out whatever tape I have. And look who finally decided to show up. I've been in here for hours. You had no idea what I had to go through to take that shit off.
Oh, that shit?
Yeah.
I didn't even fucking notice.
Yeah. Yeah, you're late, buddy.
Okay.
Yeah, you're late. What time is it?
Bro, be glad I'm even here. I don't even like you.
Alright, y'all, so we got the tape and the baseline to drill the holes all marked up. So we found the center line. We measured it from this side to this side right here. I know it looks a little crooked, but we're pretty much basing it off of this line right here, which pretty much lines up exactly with the logo, like how we expected, but we just wanted to double check. So now these have to be exactly 18 inches apart and 9 inches from here. We have these lined up. But before we even drill or start drilling, because we have to go underneath and take out some components, because underneath here is actually some electronics, which I think is the radio. And we don't want to drill holes into that, so we have to disassemble that. But before we even get to doing any of that, we're going to do just a little bit of a test fit, just to make sure that those with the uprights will all line up.
Can't consider myself basic. Yeah, this infinity pool is for bitches who get naked. Yeah, couple shots of Azul like.
Bro, this shit's gonna look fucking sick.
Let me see, hold.
I know some of y'all don't like the big wing, bro, but this, alright, oh yeah, alright, be careful though. This is like my whole life savings is sitting on there with no bolts, but relax. Oh, this shit is gonna look fucking sick. Oh yeah. The way we marked it up is absolutely perfect. We're gonna go ahead and double check that we marked the holes in the right places, and we'll start disassembling the inside of the trunk. We have to disassemble this, and fuck. What the fuck? So we have to take these little clips right here down and take this off And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and read the instructions and figure out how to do that. Screwdriver to... Bro, you're already breaking shit. How do I even put that back? Oh, that felt like I broke it in half. I ain't gonna lie, I thought I broke that shit in half. I was gonna be sick. Oh yeah, bud, we got them shits. It was that easy. I knew exactly what I was doing. So now we have these two screws. Put the flashlight closer. Bro, what kind of screw is that? Who the fuck just has that shit?
You don't carry accident screws?
Bro, I don't even carry a screwdriver. You didn't believe me that this Allen wrench was gonna work. Look at how amazing this is, just working perfectly. Like, come on, bro. I'm really him out here. I wasn't searching for a screwdriver for 30 minutes at all. Come on now. Don't ever tell me that I don't work on my own cars. Cause I'm gonna send y'all right to this video right here. He doesn't work on his own cars. Hey, fuck you. Took just a little bit of teamwork. Then I guess we just yanked this plastic cover off, which, oh! Comes off like that. Thing is this all like sound deadening? I guess. BMW, ew. But no, it's not. Okay, and I think this is the radio, and I think we just have to unplug these little clips and take these out before we drill, but another look at the instructions. Woo! All right, the battery's finna die, so we're gonna have to change the battery really quick, but we can't really figure out how to get these off, and we're already losing daylight, so we're trying to just move along quick. I feel like it'll be okay if we just leave these hanging for now. We're gonna be drilling the holes like right here, so it shouldn't, you know, affect this, but if it does, you know, it's just another video for y'all. That should be good, and we should be good to start drilling. All right, y'all, so now we're going on to the drill. I had to go and impulse buy a new drill, and I hope these drill bits fit because I know I need that 1/4 of an inch drill bit right there for the hole. And we got our clear silicone so we don't have any water leaks into the trunk. I will be taking this shit right back because I'm not Bill Gates. So we remeasured because we did a test fit again on the other tape that we had on, and this side was like a 1/2 inch like too far away. So we remeasured, redid the tape, retest fitted. These measurements are a lot more accurate and fit perfectly. So now it's time to drill holes into the Supra. And I've never drilled a hole in my life. I've watched about 35 seconds of tutorials on YouTube on how to do this, and I didn't find anything that actually taught me how to drill a hole into a car. But I did watch a couple people do it, and all they did was just and push down. So wish me the best of luck. If I'm an idiot, we already knew that.
You drill into your fucking head gasket.
Fuck, I'm scared as fuck.
Bro, I'll do that shit.
Fuck you.
Oh shit!
Bro, what the fuck? Why didn't anybody tell me that would happen?
Bro, fix it.
Bro, I'm trying to fix it. Woo! Tell me you ain't never seen nobody drill a hole better than that. Ain't nobody, bro. Ain't nobody fucking with me. Nobody's fucking with me. Woo! Do you not like that or something? That shit's mad at me, bro. I do not have the keys on me. I'm really like that though. Y'all don't ever say I don't work on my own cars, because I'm really like that though.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, as most of y'all know, Oh!
Is that move stuff?
It'll move up and down.
Yeah, that's all I'm Bro, use two hands.
Oh, fuck.
This is heavy as hell. Oh, but we still have to put this shit back on. Fuck.
That shit look cool as fuck.
That shit does look cool. We gotta clean it up a little bit. And we gotta take it on a test drive and do a speed test to see if it's gonna be wobbling. This is the most stressful thing I've ever done in my life. Like, I feel the satisfactory in that we did it, kinda. but this shit is way out of my league. It's just way out of my pay grade. Yeah, we still gotta put this stuff back on, and then once we button this stuff back up, we're gonna go take it outside, take it on a speed test, and see how sturdy and how good she's gonna hold up, if she'll hold up at speeds.
Detail.
All right, y'all, the wing is now officially on. We're gonna go get it. It's pitch black. This is supposed to be like a 2-hour job. It ended up taking us like 4 days. We're going to the gas station. We're gonna get some good light and some good shots. First official cold start with the wing on. All right, boys, we made it to the gas station. The wing looks so fucking sick in the rearview mirror. Ooh. Oh, this shit looks so good. It's so extra as fuck. Why does it look bigger now? It held on though. I only did about like 65 on the way here, but it held on though. I didn't hear no creaking, no leaking, no ticking, no tacking, nothing. This is just one of the steps into Make Susan and 1 of 1. Yes, people have this wing, but not a lot of Supra people have this wing. I'm not gonna lie. A lot of the Supra owners tend to just go for the more cleaner, more slick look with the little duck bills, which I respect and I like. I had it. But you know, now it's time for bigger and better. This was not the 20K subscriber special. This was an impulse buy that I had because it was a deal that I just couldn't, it was too good for me to pass up. The 20K subscriber special is actually on the way. It's gonna be delivered on Wednesday, like I said earlier in the video. But yeah, y'all let me know, are y'all messing with the big wing Susie, BBL Susie? Cause she got so much ass now. She had some ass before, but now this shit just like, yay. You feel me? You ain't never seen a booty like this. This thing, hey, if you gonna put gas in her, make sure it's 87. What the fuck? If y'all haven't already, make sure y'all leave a like, comment, subscribe, join the TYB family. We lit over here. A lot more mods, a lot more power mods and aesthetic mods are gonna be coming to Susie. And y'all let me know, give me your honest opinion on how the wing came out. Bro, put that down. Bro, that's how COVID started, bro. Put that shit down. We're gonna start a whole new virus with that shit. Let us know on a scale of 1 to 10 how good a job we installed this wing. For us coming into this, only knowing righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, and not even knowing shit about tools, I think we did a pretty good job, bro. Shit's solid.
I got a stay, bro, got a blip, we catching hella poles. I love some melon in the dark, bitch, on a yellow. It get nasty when I'm fucking, you can tuck it, she get sweaty. He say he getting money, I'm like, hey, who you telling, bro?
Dogs catch me running to a bag, I'm in the corner like a Reassembly. Stella got me teed up.